Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be working on my jubilee. Just because the hay's too wet right now, so I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. It'll probably be later next week. But yeah, so I get this off right here, so we can we gotta get this hood off right here, so we can get the gas tank off, because there's sediment in the gas tank, like rust and stuff that's getting through it. And I got a bowl right here that I can put all the bolts through. Wasp nest in here. We're gonna have to spray right there. There it is.
Where?
Where?
He went? No, he did.
Crap. Oh shoot. Did you get him? Did you get him?
I don't know. He probably hit the ground.
I saw it in his head or something. He fell down over here somewhere.
Don't need to spread all over the tractor too.
He went over here somewhere, guys. So we're watching another video. In today's video, we're gonna be filming baling the hay. Show the baler, please. That's the baler. And we're gonna be filming this. So basically, it goes from over here. You have the windows right, and it goes into this thing. So right there. I think it's here. So it goes into that thing. Goes to here and pushes it over here. Put this on. Pushes it back that way and ties it. And over here's our duck. I don't know if you remember the video, but he broke his leg, but he's better now. His leg got unbroken actually. Oh, you hear that? That's called baling sound effect. Guys, there's my dog Toby. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. I just got tired of filming and hungry, so we're gonna go eat some lunch and stuff, or supper and stuff. So make sure to have a good day and make sure to like and subscribe.